welcome to Advantech's Edge Computing in Action. This is Victoria. Today we're diving into the world of Edge AI and its role in industrial display. Today we're very honored to introduce our guest, Roger Ma, Director of the Industrial Display Solutions Business Unit at Advantech. Hello, Roger.
Hi, Victoria. This is Roger Ma from Industrial Display Solution Group.
Okay, Roger is here and we were talking about the industrial display. So in recent years, we see Edge AI has a huge growth, especially in across the industry. So how should we view this critical role of industrial displays in this ecosystem?
Okay, I will introduce the industrial display. You can see that right now, industrial display are the main point of a human-machine interaction in AIoT system. They are not just passive screens anymore. They shape our experience with smart tech. So when you're thinking about the last time you use a self-service kiosk, saw a digital signage, or even witness a medical test equipment in action, the display is your window into the system's capability. But in tough spots like factories or outdoor stations, a poor display can hurt reliability and brand image. Today, they enable interactivities and add value. In robotics, they help with real-time processing for navigation. In medical tests, they show precise data for AI diagnosis. Outdoor EV chargers use them for maintenance and user optimizations. Digital signage analyze audience for better ads. Self-service kiosks offer personalized service to cut costs.
Okay, so in that case, now with the industry change, so how do emerging tech like AI and Edge AI computing, especially in the industrial displays?
Okay, I think the main challenge is the diverse demand across sectors. The hospital display needs precision and cleanliness, while the outdoor one must handle weather. This requires manufacturers to have a strong design and service capability to create adaptable, expandable products. But opportunities are big. Industrial displays are no longer just screens. They are now critical interface that unlock new performance and insights with AI and edge computing. We can dramatically improve our image quality, response time, and overall user experience. This synergy is accelerating product innovation and create new opportunities.
For the new opportunities coming, so we do want to seize this kind of chance to meet our customers' needs. So in that case, Advantech excels in customization. So do you see any customization, how we enhance the product, procedure, and so on?
Okay. Yeah, Advantech is an impressive company. So first, we deliver sector-driven solutions, deeply understanding each industry's unique needs to create tailored displays, even for critical applications like mine, marine, and infra aviation use. Second, our DTOS with robust in-house R&D drives innovation. We control key technology from concept to product, enabling rapid deployment and of cutting-edge solutions from mechanical design, optical design, assembly accuracy, electronic design, software, touch bonding design, and fine-tuning picture quality. Our engineering are always pushing boundaries, ensuring our products are not only current, but also future-ready. And third, our IDC team employs agile sourcing with a smart supply chain. This ensures quick response to market changes and fast turnover for customized orders, integrating new technology like Mini-LED effectively. Finally, we prioritize continuous innovation, integrating Edge AI directly into our displays. Future plan includes AI video conference display system, embedding camera, microphone, and sensors for real-time decision-making. Advantech offers tailored design and rapid deployment. We are the ideal innovation partner for our customers.
Okay, we do offer tailored design. So for emerging trends, actually, I think Advantech is leading the market. So can you share some successful stories, especially in the factory environment? We do see some efficiency and usability proved by Advantech's solutions.
Okay, here I want to share 4 successful stories. The first one is about the factory and the automation. Our 12.1 WXGA 1280 by 800 display designed for robotic palletizing system plays a crucial role in the demanding environment of modern factories. In order to achieve this 12.1-inch display feature with 1280 by 800 resolution provide a detailed view of palletizing process. Operator can manage the system effectively. Its brightness of 400 nits and wide viewing angle of 160 degrees ensure excellent visibility from any position, even in well-lit factory environments. And the pickup touch technology allows for intuitive control, making complex tasks straightforward.
I think in the factory setting, the real-time information sharing is very important. So how do we help our customers and with the role of the large-scale video wall solution?
Okay. As you can see in factory assembly line, we have deployed the View 55 as a video wall for the on-time information disclosure over crystal clear picture quality, ensuring every information from product data to safety alerts is precise. The View 55 is built with a durable design, guarantee the LED lifetime up to 50,000 hours and 24/7 all-day-long operation guarantee. So you can see that this video wall setup is a 455 display as a 2x2 matrix, create an impressive big 110 screen. This configuration offers cost advantage comparing to a single large display. When connecting to our IPC DS085, which can support the Synergy CMS system and web access. This allows for flexible content management, so our operators can easily fine-tune white balance, color gamma, and brightness to suit any viewing and conditions.
Okay, in another scenario that we are talking about is the retail environment. And I think people are very familiar with. And here we see a lot of cleaning and intelligent robotic systems are running up. So here, how can advanced display technologies improve their functionality and reliability?
Okay. Yeah, in retail environment, you can see that the intelligent cleaning robots are becoming a common sign. So their interface is our 10.1-inch 1280 by 800 WXGA display, which is IDP31101W. Firstly, we can also see that the backlight brightness is up to 850 nits. This ensures excellent visibility. It supports a wide voltage input, offering flexibility in power integrations. Furthermore, the optical bond pickup touch and IP65 rating from frame with a chemical strengthened cover glass provide a highly responsive and durable interface, standing up to the rigors of daily use.
Okay, to talk about the retail, actually people will think of the convenience store and also the hospital because you will go into the kiosk and to pay the role. So as you see, how do these kind of versatile display enhance the self-service kiosk experience for our customers?
Okay. Yeah, we can see the kiosk everywhere. So we deploy our View 2238 display. This display is revolutionizing the self-service kiosk experience, particularly in the retail and hospitality industries. View 2238 display is featured with 350 nits of brightness, 10-point pickup touch, IP60 front frame, and edge cover glass. It can be used in both landscape and portrait orientations, meaning it can be positioned to the best showcase information with perfect color fidelity.
Okay, so this case really show great impact, but actually as a leading brand, we now must go global. So how do we stay competitive to our customers in the market?
Okay. In the market, right now, we use localized manufacturing to cut risk and lead time, serving our region customer better. For Advantech, success includes our expertise in multi-platform system integration and cross-sector knowledge. For example, integrating edge AI camera module on display, building a microphone and the speakers to actively talk with AI agent on kiosk, is the very good experience for future shopping process.
Okay, so to wrap up, so what's your key message on industrial display and also the technology in this AI era?
Okay, I think the display is the bridge between human and machine, data and decision, potential and progress. Challenge requires flexibility, durability, and intelligence, but opportunities are even greater. So Advantech is ready to lead.
Okay, thank you, Roger. We learned a lot of knowledge of the industrial display. Hope you learned a lot as well. And for more information, please stay tuned. Until next time, goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.